If you run an online store on Shopify, having a well-organized product catalog is essential for helping customers easily find and discover the items they're looking for. According to a study by UX Booth, 64% of online shoppers report they're more likely to buy from a store with clear and easy-to-navigate categories. Studies by the Baymard Institute show that clear and easy-to-navigate categories can increase conversion rates by up to 30%. Therefore, collections are more than just product groupings, they're the key to organizing your store, guiding customers, and ultimately boosting your sales. Welcome to FoxEcom Tutorials. In this video, we'll learn how to set up and optimize your Shopify collections.
Your store needs to stand out and tell your brand's story right. And it's never easier to level up your pages with Foxify. Design fast with stunning and high-converting templates of any page type. Create and use customizable Foxify sections anywhere on your page, anywhere in your store. Translate your pages to multiple languages instantly right in Foxify. Ensure your pages are performing at their best by receiving data about your customers. Grow massive sales without using third-party apps. And create pages that convert with advanced tools. It's not just the tool, FoxEcom team is behind it all. Your success is our priority. Foxify, build right, win high.
Now let's get back to the tutorial video, how to create collections on Shopify. Let's start by setting up your collection title. This is the name that will be displayed to your customers, so choose something clear and descriptive. And if you want your collection to have a visual element, you can also add a collection description to provide more detail about what's included. Next, you'll need to choose whether this will be a manual or automated collection. For manual collections, you'll handpick the specific products to include. Whereas in the automated collection, you will select your products with the matching conditions below. Then you can edit the search engine listing. This is how your collection page will appear in Google and other search engines, so use relevant keywords and a compelling description. Don't forget to choose a collection image. They will help your customers recognize preview collections. Therefore, it's very necessary to choose an image that can represent the collection. Once you've set all of those elements, just click Save and your new collection is ready to go. When you go back to your collections, now there are still 0 products in this collection. Furthermore, when you select a specific product, you can also manage the collection for it. Look to the right, in the Product Organization section, you can easily add or remove collections for your products. Let's go to the Theme Editor and attempt to showcase the collection we have just created. The newly created collection can be easily integrated into the Collection Lists section of the store. In this section, locate the Collection block. Click Select Collection and select the collection you want to associate with this block. And now we can see the result of organizing the collection. Besides, you can also create additional sub-collections with an appealing visual right in your store or on your menu. First, let's see how sub-collections work in the online store. For example, when you go to the Collection template and select Collection All Products, in the Collection List section, you can add smaller collections including small bags, bag kits, backpacks, and similar collections. And so you can display sub-collections within a larger collection that can contain them. Next, let's see what we can do with the menu. In Shopify's admin dashboard, select Online Store, then Navigation. Let's try using the collection kits we just created earlier to display as a sub-collection of this All Products collection. You just need to add menu item, name it, and link it to collection kits. The last thing to do is drag this menu item into item All Products. Click Save Menu and we can check how it works in the storefront. You can do the same to create other sub-collections, which will make the menu interface look much better. That's all for the tutorial video today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. If you like our video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you won't miss any other future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.